3 days ago started the Indigo plane service crucial problems. Consequently, lakhs of people's suffering and agony and harassment and humiliation experiencing anywhere. Not only that, thousands of old age people's suffering and agony experience in anywhere. That is why these problems, traveler problems, should understand the truthness government and Indigo management. Like that, as soon as possible, interfere the government and Indigo management, they solve this problem as soon as possible. Otherwise, will you commitment these problems and suffering peoples in India?